6 reasons why you don't grow on TikTok. Air intro. Midnight to 0:15. Posting every day but still getting low views? Then one of these 6 mistakes is probably killing your TikTok growth right now. Watch till the end because reason number 6 is the one most small creators ignore. Reason 1. Your hook is boring. 0:16 to 0:45. If your video doesn't grab attention in the first 2 seconds, people scroll away instantly. Don't start with "Hey guys." Start with something shocking or interesting like, "This is why your TikTok is dead." Or, "Nobody talks about this TikTok trick." Your first seconds decide everything. Reason 2. Bad video quality. 0:46 to 1:10. Blur video. Bad lighting. Laggy editing. TikTok pushes clean videos more. Use a bright light. Clear sound. Smooth editing. HD upload. Even a simple phone can blow up if the quality looks clean. Reason 3. Copying everyone. 1:11 to 1:40. If your content looks exactly like everybody else, why should people follow you? Add your own style. Your voice. Your editing. Your reaction. Your personality. People follow originality, not copies. Reason 4. You post random content. 1:41 to 2:05. One day football. Next day dancing. Then gaming. Then motivation. TikTok gets confused about your audience. Stick to one main niche so the algorithm knows who to show your videos to. Reason 5. You give up too fast. 2:06 to 2:35. Some creators quit after 10 videos. Meanwhile, other creators post 100+ videos before blowing up. Growth takes consistency. Even big creators started with 0 views. Reason 6. You don't make people stay. 2:36 to 3:05. This one is very important. TikTok loves watch time. If people leave your video too early, TikTok stops pushing it. So, make videos shorter. Add captions. Use fast cuts. Keep the video exciting till the end. The longer people watch, the more TikTok promotes your content. Outro. 3:06 to 3:20. If you fix these 6 mistakes, your TikTok growth can change fast. Comment which mistake you're making right now, and follow for more creator tips.